Prometheus, the greatest advancement in handpiece technology in 40 years.
The Prometheus coupler with self-contained fiber optics provides bright LED light without the need for a traditional fiber optic system. All you need is a fiber optic handpiece and a Prometheus coupler, and you can eliminate the need for a power supply, fiber optic hoses, and installation. You will enjoy bright LED light instantly for about the same price as a standard quick disconnect coupler. Here's how it works. Pick your favorite fiber optic handpiece and the corresponding Prometheus coupler. Then simply connect the Prometheus coupler to any 4, 5, or 6-hole tubing and then to the handpiece, just as you would connect any other quick disconnect coupler. Run the handpiece and you will have LED fiber optics instantly. Now here are some tips for using Prometheus. First, you can attach the Prometheus coupler to any tubing, 4, 5, or 6-hole, with or without a previously installed system. The type of tubing does not matter as long as the Prometheus coupler is compatible with the fiber optic handpiece being used. Second, note that the patent-pending technology uses the handpiece's air supply to power the LED, so you will only have light when the handpiece is running. Third, if the optics on the handpiece are degraded or broken, the light from the Prometheus coupler won't be bright. Finally, make sure the coupler is tightly screwed onto the tubing. Since the coupler relies on air supplied to the handpiece, any leaking air will reduce the brightness of the light.
First, mankind received fire, but now mankind has Prometheus.